What is up? Today we're going to unbox and install the rear cargo rack by YZONA. I think I'm saying that correct. It is YZONA. Let's go check it out. Cool. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It was, I think, $189. 2-day shipping, came pretty quick. And this is how it comes in the mail. I did notice there's a little bit of box damage. There's a hole here. I don't think that's going to affect anything inside. Let's pop it open and check it out. All right, got a little bit of some jumbling, probably from, bouncing around a truck. So let's see what we got. It's going to have the cargo net with hooks on it. Here's our instructions and hardware. I'll open that up in a second. It's going to be one of the side pieces, the other side bracket. I'd say it's pretty well packed. It's a simple product. They've got plenty of foam in here. It is not padded around the outside, if you can see. It is in a pretty thick plastic bag. So when I open it up, I'll see if there's any scratches or damage on the basket. But for right now, let's pull it out. It's looking great. I don't see any scratches, any damage anywhere around it. The construction feels super solid. It's a little bit texturized to prevent some slipping. All right. So the install actually happens inside of the Bronco itself. So I'll just give you an overview of all the parts that are in here. Kind of a real big box just for that little bag of hardware. All right, let's check it. So here's an overview of everything that came in and everything that I'm using. I'm gonna go bring this downstairs and start installing it. All right, first step is to remove these three right here on both sides. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm using the tool that came with my Bronco to take these guys off. So basically all you do is you take them out, you put the correct bracket in, and then you just reinstall. Easiest way to do it is obviously you line up the holes, and these little mounts have to be pointing up. Otherwise you have it on the wrong side. So let's put it back in. So one thing that I'm not too happy about is that, it doesn't sit exactly flush. It kind of goes on an angle because it has to get over this rubber seal. Something that I think they could have done a little bit better. But again, here's what it looks like. Fully installed. Let's go get that basket. Spring washer goes on first, then flat washer. Insert it onto the rack, and underneath you have another flat washer and then the nut. There you go. Fully installed, rock solid. Honestly, if I wasn't making the video, this probably would have taken me 15 minutes tops. Insanely easy install. No drilling, no bolting, no anything like that. So this is gonna be my first time using it this weekend. I'll take some photos and video, which I'll roll here, and I'll let you know my thoughts.
All right, guys, I apologize. I actually didn't take very many videos of the rack when it was all packed, but I'm happy to report that it worked awesome. I was able to keep things a lot more organized, and honestly, I think I carried more stuff than I normally would. So it worked fantastic. There was no creaking, no sounds of any sort. The only thing that I would say that other people have talked about is the cargo net hooks are a little bit flimsy and big. So I might look into just using like a carabiner system. But it is nice to have that net to keep things locked down so it doesn't move around. I will be writing up an article on the website, adventuredispatch.com, and I will be featuring this more as I go. I'll put a link in the description below for this and some other accessories that I found that I absolutely love. And if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, subscribe. See you out there.